Yeah, morning guys. So today we got some things to do. I was out working on the Honda last night, but I'm gonna start today off with not Honda related content. I'm gonna go ahead and get the wing on the ST changed out. I've had my old wing, it was a RS style wing, for a couple years. Took it off, I'm gonna put it back on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the Honda, get this gas tank dropped, and I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up all the rust under the car. Well, I'm gonna start cleaning the rusty lines from under the car. But here's the ST in all her glory. The ST. Doing this wing change is pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and get this open real quick. Oh, I'll show you guys exactly what parts you need to remove. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this trim off here. Hey, Jonathan's here. Jonathan's here. Over there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab his impact real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so to get access to this wing on the ST, go to the back, you gotta pull up this trim here. Just kind of pry at it. What's up? Sounds like it's breaking. It's not, don't worry. And you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, and then these are normally screws that are just set in there. So we're gonna go and get these pulled out and pop the wing off. We'll go from there. Alright guys, so before we get that wing off, we're gonna go ahead and take these two, well, I think these are initially Torx. I think they were initially Torx in the taillight. But I've got Phillips head, so we're using Phillips head. And that's what's in there. There's just two of them. Take these out. One there, one there. Set you down gently. 1 and 2. And then you're gonna go ahead and take out the rear washer, which mine I broke. As you see, I'm taking this out a couple times. I broke one by accident. Let you unplug the light. If I can unplug my light. Alright, lights out. We're gonna go ahead and lift this wing off real quick. You're gonna have to fish these back out through here. Then we commence removing the 5 screws here. Oh, no. Okay, that works. Do these 2 sides. It's somewhere in there. You out. Oh, no, it's actually easy. Cool. Once we take that center one out, the wing's gonna want to fall forward. We're gonna grab the RS wing and we'll go ahead and pop it on. But you'll see that there's like weird tape spots here, here, over there. Those are holes you need to get covered up because the RS wing does not fill those holes. RS wing. Oh, come on. Come on. Go through. It's one. Alright, that's like 90% of the install. It's pretty quick, simple, and easy. The hardest part is going to be trying to play a balancing act of keeping this wing up while you set the other screws in. Make sure that I went to the right hole with this. There we go. Yeah, you gotta watch that hose. It'll get pinched off in there, so you're just gonna bend that back. Voila. Alright, now let's take you guys inside. Oh no. Oh, if it would let me. Oh. It helps to have a second hand with this. Okay. Got a couple threads in. All right, that's perfect. So we can go through and put these side bolts back in now. Here. All right, guys, I got the neoprene washers in place. I got those 3 screws in. And that's how the wing looks. And that's with the 3rd brake light on. Apparently that spider's pissed off that I interrupted his home. He jumped on my hand and then jumped away. Now he's all defensive. Say hi, Mr. Spider. A little dance, making a little love, get down tonight. Oh wait, you're getting a little too aggressive. All right, back to the video though. Alright guys, I figured I would just give a little bit of an update of where I'm at. So I avoided dropping the fuel tank. I'm not gonna lie, my straps are way too rusted. I don't trust trying to cut it out. So, I guess I'll show you. Got a lot of stuff done. So we've got coolant in the car, I need to bleed it. I overfilled the overflow, so once I get everything set up, I'm gonna see if everything's running right. But there's oil in it now. I may have an oil leak from that adapter. I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm gonna have to go out and check that. But the main progress is all of this. Also, I don't think that's supposed to fall out of a car. I don't think so. I'm currently working on my e-brake cables now. I'm trying to see if I have a cotter pin small enough to fit in that hole. I don't think I do. There's like a puny hole. Hope you guys can see it in the camera. But it's a really small hole. So, checking cotter pins. Well, we'll get to that in a second. Let me show you guys under the cart. Oh boy. So I was cleaning up all of these old lines. There's a bunch of rust still. I'm gonna have to drop the tank one day just to try to see if there's any rust up here at the floor pan, because I can see some surface rust forming at the back of it. Inside there's no hole. But all of these lines got cleaned up. Now it's time for me to run my stainless steel lines up, my fuel lines. They need to run wherever they need to go. and then I actually run these back in the OEM spots, my e-brake cables. Also, I got my 14mm stuck. That's partially why the tank's not coming down. I can't get it off. I don't know how to get it off.